Happy Sunday, everybody. Today I am going to show you how to fix a burned out dash light. So basically what I have going on is my dash light bulb, honestly and truthfully, I think it just came loose because it keeps flickering on and off. But since fixing it involves taking the dash apart, we're just going to work smart, not hard, and replace both bulbs. So we'll go ahead and start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. There we go. Then we'll go ahead and start taking the dash apart. We'll go ahead and remove this ashtray. There's a little tab down here you push and it comes out. Then we'll go ahead and remove these knobs off the climate control. They just pull right off. There we go. Then we'll go ahead and very gently pull this off. But remember, got to be very gentle when you do this. If you have to, take a flathead screwdriver that's covered in some tape. And then we can just go ahead and move that out of the way down there. Then you'll go ahead and take a Phillips head screwdriver, and just to clear up some room, we'll go ahead and remove this storage box. And then I have a magnet. I didn't quite pull that out all the way. And then the screws, just put them somewhere safe. Out that comes. Just set that down there on the floor. And then we can go ahead and pull out the climate control cluster. So same thing, Phillips head screwdriver. Take a magnet. climate control, you might have to work with it a little bit, but it will eventually come out. There we go. For this, we don't really need to pull it out totally. We just need to pull it out enough to get this cover off. So, once that's out, we'll go ahead and take our flathead screwdriver, loosen that up. And then same thing with the bottom, just loosen up the tabs on the bottom. And here we go. Right there is one of the bulbs, and tucked away back in here is the other one. So we'll just go ahead and reach in here, pull the bulb out. This is the one that's been giving me problems. And there we go. Then one thing I just now noticed. So these dash light bulbs have like this little green cap over them that just comes on and off, literally like that. But with these new bulbs with the little green caps, they seem to be way too big for these new bulbs. With the old ones, however, here's one of the old ones. The old ones are a little bit bigger, and with these caps, they're literally a perfect fit. But the good news is the new bulbs still fit in the climate control, so I guess my climate control lights will just be white from now on. And then here's a little believe it or not. At the dealership, these bulbs were about $3.95 each, I think. These little green caps, literally this little green guy right here, these were $10 each. The guy was asking if I wanted to buy new ones. I'm like, no thank you. So we'll go ahead and put these new bulbs in. I have the green cap over it because I don't want my fingers touching the bulb. I'll just go ahead and remove it once it's in. Just goes in, and there we go. Then of course, don't forget about the other one. And there we go. Then just put it all back together, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and you're done. And then just reset your clock to the correct time and reset your radio to your preferred settings. And to be honest with you guys, that really isn't that bad of a look, in my opinion. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also, make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you guys next week. If I ever get tired of South Lake Tahoe, that is.